Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run eBay ads. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an eBay store, or basically you're trying to sell a few items and are not selling. How do you actually go ahead and run ads towards them so that you increase your chances of selling those products? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is that we're going to log onto our eBay account. Click on Sell, and then you're going to highlight Advertising and click on Dashboard. Next, click on Create New Campaign. And then from here, you want to click on Promote Your Listings. And then for the campaign strategy, you have two options. The one that I normally do is the general strategy because I only like to pay for when sales are made. And then for the pay for clicks, I really don't like paying for clicks just because if someone clicks on your product, that means you're already going to end up paying for them, even though they actually didn't purchase the product. So go ahead and click on Pay for Sales or General. And then next, for the add listings, you want to go ahead and click on add listings. So we'll select this product as an example, click on add listings again. And then here is where you want to set a fixed ad rate. So we'll set ours to 5%, which means that if someone buys your product, you're going to pay a 5% fee. So the recommended ad rate, I don't normally go by that, but 5% for me is usually good enough. So you can see that you get up to 36% of your total estimated impressions. But if we set it to 12%, you can see that it increases. So I normally set mine to 5%, but if you feel comfortable getting or paying 8% on your product, that's perfectly fine as well. For the campaign name, we're just going to name it Pokemon Product. We'll spell that correctly, Pokemon Product. And then start date's today, and then the end date is continuous, and then go ahead and click on Launch. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run eBay ads. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.